Hey DevOps folks, today we're diving into 3 powerhouse infrastructure as code tools, Opentofu, Pulumi, and Terraform. We'll explain each one, compare them, and help you pick the best one for your needs. Let's go. First up, we have Opentofu. It's a fully open source fork of Terraform created after Terraform's license changed. It uses HashiCorp configuration language, HCL, for declarative infrastructure setup, meaning you define the desired state, and Opentofu makes it happen. It's community-driven, supports tons of cloud providers, and is backwards compatible with Terraform workflows. Next, Pulumi. Unlike the others, Pulumi lets you write infrastructure code in general-purpose languages like Python, TypeScript, or Go. It's open source, cloud-agnostic, and uses Pulumi Cloud for easy state management. Pulumi's strength? It's developer-friendly, with modern IDE features like code completion and dynamic providers for custom resources. Finally, we have Terraform, the industry veteran from HashiCorp. It also uses HCL for declarative coding and supports over 3,000 providers. Terraform is mature, widely adopted, but it's no longer fully open source. It's under a business source license. Still, it's a go-to for stable multi-cloud setups. So, how do they stack up? Opentofu is nearly identical to Terraform but stays open source, making it great for teams avoiding vendor lock-in. Terraform's maturity and ecosystem are unmatched, ideal for large-scale, stable projects. Pulumi shines for developers who want flexibility and coding in familiar languages, especially for modern cloud-native apps. Here's the deal. Use Opentofu if you love Terraform but want open-source freedom. Pick Terraform for proven enterprise-grade reliability. Go with Pulumi if you're a developer craving programmatic control and modern tooling. Check out our comparison chart for details, and that's it guys. Choose based on your team's skills and goals. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more tech tips. See ya.